how to log in Crunchyroll account. So hello everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I'm back with yet another video on how to use basics entertain. In this video I'm going to guide you through how to log into your Crunchyroll account. So to learn how, keep watching the video. First of all, go ahead and tap on Crunchyroll app. After you do that, you'll be entered in this screen where it will ask you to log in or create account. We are going to log in into Crunchyroll account, so go ahead and tap on the second option, that is login. Now go ahead and enter your email in the box of email, and now go ahead and enter your password which you used while creating your account. Make sure the password is correct. After you type in the password, go ahead and tap on login. So that's how quick and easy it was. You have already been logged into your Crunchyroll account. So yeah, I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us, and make sure you subscribe our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye until then.